We should be joined shortly by Millie and Grace, who have yet to give me a team name. Hi, Nurture. Hi, Beardy Man Hank. Hey, there's Millie. We are just going to add her into the video, if I can remember how to do that. Oh no, Millie, you've got to add yourself to the video. So whilst Millie's doing that, just wanted to say, I hope you're all staying happy, healthy and active. We've come up with a rather silly challenge today. You might have seen our little practice run yesterday. We've got myself and Leslie, who's my mum, and we are team quick while the dogs aren't looking. So they've got a treat ball that they're going to have, and hopefully that'll keep them distracted long enough that we can roll around on the floor and be silly. Millie and Grace are on team 2. They haven't given me a team name yet. Hopefully when they join the video, they're going to have their team name ready. So if you do want to do this at home, all you need is a slidey floor and a cushion. Challenge people in your own home, or maybe do it through a live video yourselves. You could even just record yourself and send it to somebody and do it timed that way. The Foskets are on. Hi, Sophie. So we are still waiting for Millie. Millie, how are you getting on? You managing? She's probably going back through the messages from earlier and trying to figure out how to do this. There we go. Go in. Just about. There it is. Hi, Grace.
Hi.
It's
really, really frozen.
Who's frozen, me or you?
Me.
Oh, well, both are working on my end, so hopefully they're working on everybody else's. You just remind me our goggles. See those on Grace's head. So have you got any tips for everybody? How are you staying mentally and physically active during lockdown?
We've been attempting to climb Snowdon on our stairs.
On your stairs?
Stairs.
How many times, how long do you have to go up and down to get that?
We have to do...
It's like 450 something altogether. So we decided to do it over a few days.
Wow. And how far into that are you?
3 days.
About 3 days. How long have you got left?
6. 7.
6 or 7?
7 days.
Fantastic. You'll have to share your peek out video or pictures when you complete it.
We will.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So we're going to start the challenge. We're going to go 1 breaststroke, and then we're going to turn around and come back on backstroke. You guys happy with that?
Sounds good to me.
Fantastic. And one of you have got the timers, right?
Yeah.
Grace is on a timer.
Grace is on timer. Awesome. So I'm going to do first round, so first lap. So I'm going to pass the phone over and turn it round. Who's doing first lap on yours?
Me. But we've managed to get a tripod for the camera.
Tripod. Oh, awesome. Very fancy. Well, we're going to have to go even quicker then to keep up with that. They've got a tripod set up. All right, I'm going to turn the camera around. There we go.
Our floor's really slippery.
Say that again.
Our floor is really slippery.
I think that's going to work to your advantage, isn't it?
No, we've got no way.
Okay, Grace, you count us in.
Okay, are you both ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh.
What did you do?
Oh.
I'm losing my cushion. Change places. Go, Mum, go. The dogs have finished their balls. Mina's coming for you. Swim. Oh, Grace is going back straight. I don't know. Okay, change. Go. I think we got 3 laps.
We got
We got 3.
We got 3, so we got a draw.
I also kicked the chair.
I bashed my elbow on the floor. Match.
Pardon?
Do we have to rematch?
I think a tie is healthy.
Maybe another day.
Yeah.
Go catch my breath. So guys, thank you very much for joining us. And for everybody out there watching, if you do try this at home and post it up, tag us, #Omega at home, so we can have a look at your attempts too. Stay safe, everybody.
Stay safe.